A Festool dust collector, and I really need to change out the bag. So I've never done it, so let's check it out.
So it's really easy to replace. I just had to take the sustainer off of that area, unclip it on both sides, pull it straight up, and it came off. And then it was really easy to put back in because it was simply just attached at the top area. So I just pulled it out. Come to find out, this is a self-cleaning one. I think I can actually probably just pour this out, possibly. I'm not sure. It's a cloth bag. But the new one I just went ahead and put in. You just wrap it around, clip it in, push it down, and you just put the whole thing back together. It's super simple. I just feel better knowing that I just don't have a bag full of sawdust. So super easy to do. Really glad I did it. Comes with a pack of 5.
Everything's back on, and we are good to go.